Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an AR drawing app using an easy method. First, choose a reliable AR drawing application from your device's app store. Make sure your smartphone or tablet has the necessary hardware for augmented reality, typically a modern processor and camera. Grant the app all required permissions, such as access to your camera and photo library, to ensure full functionality. This initial setup takes only a few moments. Next, prepare your physical drawing space. Find an area with good, even lighting and a flat, uncluttered surface, like a table or the floor. This helps your device accurately track its surroundings. Open the app and point your camera at the chosen surface to calibrate the augmented reality plane. You can then easily adjust the size and orientation of your virtual canvas to match your paper or drawing area. Now, let's project your image. Import your chosen reference photo directly into the AR drawing application. Once loaded, the image will appear virtually overlaid onto your physical surface. Carefully position and resize this projected image to align perfectly with your paper. Utilize the app's transparency slider to see your drawing surface clearly beneath the image and zoom in for intricate details, ensuring precise tracing. To achieve the best results, keep your device as steady as possible. A tripod or phone stand is highly recommended for longer drawing sessions, preventing hand fatigue and unwanted movement. Experiment with your room's lighting. Sometimes, a single overhead light can cast fewer shadows than multiple sources. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with these simple steps, you'll be creating amazing AR art in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.